Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Scholarship Network Guide Official. I'm going to start my YouTube channel on the behalf of my junior students. Today, in this video, I will describe the channel introduction. Basically, Scholarship Network Guide Official YouTube channel is an educational platform for all international students. What is the purpose of Scholarship Network Guide Official YouTube channel? I am Dr. Asmat Saleem, PhD scholar in China under the Chinese government scholarship. My aim to create this channel is to help those students who are seeking scholarship opportunities in different countries, especially in China. I and my team will assist you how to get this letter and scholarship abroad. We will also provide you help and assistance, consultancy to those students who are looking for opportunities and authentic informations about scholarships, international internships, guidelines, SOPs, and documentations, exchange program in different countries, free online courses, training programs in the different countries, and international conferences. What information we will provide you by this channel? We will guide you on how to contact the professor and acceptance letter. We will also assist you how to write an email to the professor at the university. We will help you and guide you about the documentation required for the admission. We will assist you how to apply online to the different universities portal. We will provide you admission results of the different universities on. Thanks for joining us. If you have any question, you can ask me on my Instagram account or my Facebook page, Scholarship Network Guide Official YouTube channel. I will provide you official link in the video description, and you can also ask the question in the comment box. Definitely I will reply your comment. And further, if you need any information or document, definitely I will provide you. Please like and subscribe Scholarship Network Guide official channel and press the bell icon for the further informative videos.